Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this one, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your own scratch game. This is part one of it. Um, y- um, and and in this part, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your sprite move up and down, right and left. So it's pretty easy. So you take a forever loop, drag it here, and if then statement, which is right there, and then you take if key up is pressed, you go up like that, and then go to motions, and then sorry, change y right here by 10. Yeah, when that is done, you're gonna duplicate the code, and then do right arrow. When right arrow is pressed, grab change x by 10, and then repeat duplicate the code again, and do left. When left arrow is pressed, change x by -10, and when you test it, it works. But yeah, it works. And one thing I'll do is I'm gonna change my character to a ball, because we're making a platformer game. So yeah, it looks much better, a ball in a platformer game. So I'm gonna make a ball like so. Fill it in with my best color, red. Yes, I like red color. And then let's add gravity. So let's go to the stage and a backdrop. So in the backdrop you can draw whatever you like. So this is gonna be a simple one. It will just go from one point to the other one. So I'm just gonna draw a platform that looks something like this. When your platform is done, you can change it to any color. So I'm gonna change it to black, because black looks good. And then go to Sprite 1, and then go to events and drag a when flag is clicked, and then go drag a forever loop, if then statement, and then what you will do is go to operators and grab a not statement. And then wait, did I guys remind you, I'm teaching how to add gravity too. So if drag a not statement, and go to sensing and grab a touching color, and touch it, and go to the color of the platform. Mine is black, yours can be whatever you like. And then if not touching color black, you have to change y by negative 10, and then you'll see your scratch sprite moves, but it doesn't go up, because you have to go to the up arrow and go and increase the number by whatever you like. If you do 60, it goes pretty high. Like, look at it, and it looks pretty weird. So I generally prefer 20 to 30. So I'm gonna go with 30. And there you have it. Your sprite jumps and it moves. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.